Imagine a world where Tesla, ISNT, just an electric car company, but a $5 trillion tech giant, leading the future of transportation, energy, and artificial intelligence. Sounds impossible? Or is it already happening before our eyes? And some analysts believe it could reach $5 trillion by 2030. To put that into perspective, Tesla has been one of the best performing stocks in the past decade. With a market cap growing from around $50 billion in 2010 to over $1 trillion today, Tesla's product lineup is expanding, with new models like the Cybertruck and the Semi expected to drive growth in the coming years. Additionally, the company's software capabilities, including its full self-driving technology, are expected to play a major role in its future success. The electric vehicle market is rapidly expanding, and Tesla is well positioned to take advantage of this trend. They are also leveraging their existing manufacturing capabilities and dealer networks to quickly ramp up production. Any delays or setbacks in production could impact investor confidence and put pressure on the stock price. Trade tensions, regulatory changes, and economic downturns are just a few examples of the risks Tesla faces. This increased competition could put pressure on Tesla's market share and profit margins. Join me as we break down the numbers, the opportunities, and the challenges, and I'll share my bold prediction. Can Tesla truly reach that $5 trillion milestone by 2030, or will it fall short of this ambitious goal? A $5 trillion market cap would require Tesla to grow significantly from here, which is a tall order. Tesla's current market cap is over $1 trillion. A downturn in the global economy could reduce demand for electric vehicles and put pressure on Tesla's stock price. Tesla is well positioned to take advantage of this trend. With a brand that is synonymous with electric vehicles and sustainable energy, the company's ability to collect and analyze data from its vehicles could provide a significant competitive advantage. But there are also risks that these policies could change or be repealed. Tesla's ability to meet growing demand for its vehicles will be critical to its future success. In Europe, and is expected to expand into other regions in the coming years, the company's solar and energy storage products are expected to play a major role in its future growth. Increased demand for electric vehicles is also a key growth driver. However, based on the data and trends, it seems that Tesla has a good chance of reaching a $5 trillion market cap by 2030. Tesla's management team has a proven track record of innovation and execution. Tesla's innovative approach to electric vehicle production, autonomous driving technology, and energy storage solutions has made it a leader in the industry. The company has also made significant investments in its production capacity, with multiple gigafactories around the world. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know in the comments below. This has enabled Tesla to meet growing demand for its vehicles and expand its market share. The company has built a loyal customer base, with many owners evangelizing about the benefits of Tesla's products. Tesla's investments in battery technology and autonomous driving could pay off in the coming years, driving growth and increasing its market share. This loyalty, combined with Tesla's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility, has helped to drive demand for its vehicles. However, it's not just about the current state of the company. It's also about its potential for future growth. Tesla's brand loyalty and reputation for innovation are also key strengths. As we consider the possibility of Tesla reaching a $5 trillion market cap by 2030, we need to think about the challenges the company faces. One of the biggest challenges is competition. Traditional automakers are rapidly electrifying their lineups, and new entrants like Rivian and Lucid Motors are vying for market share. These competitors are well-funded and have the backing of major investors. Another challenge Tesla faces is production issues. The company has historically struggled with meeting its production targets, particularly for new models. Market volatility is also a concern. The stock market can be unpredictable, and any number of factors could impact Tesla's stock price. Tesla's valuation is also a concern. Some analysts argue that the stock is overvalued, while others believe it has room to run. The global economic landscape is also a factor. Rising interest rates, inflation, and recession concerns could all impact Tesla's growth prospects. The electric vehicle market is also evolving rapidly. Governments around the world are implementing policies to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles. Key factors that could lead to Tesla's growth include advancements in technology. Expansion into new markets is another growth driver. Tesla has already entered several new markets, including China. The global shift towards sustainable energy and environmental responsibility is driving demand for electric vehicles. Tesla's software capabilities, including its full self-driving technology, are also expected to play a major role in its future success. The company's investments in its production capacity, including its gigafactories, are also expected to drive growth. Some analysts believe that Tesla's growth will be driven by its energy business. As we consider the possibility of Tesla reaching a $5 trillion market cap by 2030, we need to look at the numbers. The company's revenue growth has been impressive, and its profit margins have expanded significantly in recent years. The critical insights and data suggest that Tesla has a good chance of reaching a $5 trillion valuation by 2030. However, it's not a guarantee, and there are many factors that could impact its growth prospects. The company's ability to execute on its growth plans will be critical to its future success. The stock market is unpredictable, and any number of factors could impact Tesla's stock price. In conclusion, Tesla's potential to reach a $5 trillion market cap by 2030 is an exciting possibility. The company faces challenges, but it also has many opportunities for growth. Tesla's innovative approach to electric vehicle production and its commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility make it a compelling investment opportunity. The company's growth prospects are significant, but there are also risks that investors need to consider. As we look to the future, it's clear that Tesla has the potential to continue to disrupt the automotive and energy industries. The question remains, will Tesla actually hit that $5 trillion mark by 2030? If you're interested in learning more about Tesla's future, be sure to check out my related videos for more insights.